Welcome to A Chef Called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm bringing this cooking show from the island of Ischia in the Bay of Naples, Italy. A super easy, super healthy, super delicious Italian salad with fresh ingredients from the island. Grab your trusty wooden spoons as I'll meet back in the kitchen while I show you how to make this super easy, super simple Italian salad. Cominciamo. Let's get started. Today's salad, very simple ingredients. I chose from the fresh market here on the island. Baby zucchini, baby tomato, fresh basil, and this salad can either be served as part of the entree, as a side dish, or your main meal. Zucchini, pomodorini, and basilico. I steamed the baby zucchini for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until they're tender. I allowed them to cool, I towel dried them, and I'm going to slice them into 1.5-inch slices. Once I finish cutting the zucchini into 1.5-inch slices, I'm going to combine them with the tomatoes, and I'm going to give a nice handful of salt, and let's not forget to throw that salt over the left shoulder for good luck. I'm going to cut the basil into thin strips, also known as chiffonade. Here's an explanation of what chiffonade is. After adding the basil to the ingredients, I'm going to utilize a good quality olive oil and spread liberally. Once I've done that, I'm going to grab my cucchiaio, which is also known as a spoon, and I'm going to give it a nice turn over and over again until all the ingredients have a chance to mesh. And there we are. You can serve this warm or cold as an entree or a side dish. If you like this recipe and you haven't yet subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Until we meet again, from the island of Ischia in the Bay of Naples, Italy, I bid you arrivederci, cindan, salute, ciao!